Well, hey, Wooby. Is something wrong?
Well, I'm feeling a little down today. I can't seem to find my happy. My happy makes me feel safe and calm, and I feel sad when I can't find it.
Oh, no. I'm sorry. Well, when is the last time you think you had your happy?
Probably last night when I got the last scoop of chocolate ice cream at the ice cream shop.
Ah, well, you know, sometimes your happy takes you by surprise and appears out of nowhere. But other times, you have to look for it.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Sometimes it helps to look all around and find things that could lead you to your happy.
Nope, don't see it.
Oh, well, I see something. Hey, look at that rainbow.
Wow, that sure is bright. Could that help me find my happy?
Well, of course. It's already helping me. Oh, and look, there's a duck splashing in puddles.
Oh, I love splashing in puddles.
Oh, me too. And that duck sure seems happy.
I'm just not so sure how that duck will help me find my happy.
Well, what are some other things that make you smile, Wooby?
Oh, snuggle time, jumping in leaves, monkey bars, lollipops, things that are purple. What about you?
Well, I love spaghetti, long walks on the beach, and getting line-dried on a hot summer day.
Oh, that sounds nice.
It's like going to the spa.
Can you think of anything else that could help me find my happy?
Well, definitely. Well, reading a good book, riding your bike, throwing around a beach ball.
Oh my goodness! Guess what? I found my happy. You were right, Fotty.
Oh, you found it playing ball? Great!
No! I found it next to the ball.
Oh, well, what's that?
It's my doll, Happy.
Wait, what? You were looking for your doll named Happy?
Yep. What did you think I was looking for?
Oh, I thought you were looking for... Oh, never mind. Oh, I think I need a minute to find my happy again.
Okay. Well, it's probably right in front of you. Come on, Happy. Let's go be happy.